Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be on this makeup look which I'm wearing right now. So a lot of you guys were telling me that Manasi create more fun makeup looks. So here I am filming another makeup tutorial for you guys. It's pretty simple, might be looking complex, but it is not. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so I have already moisturized my face using the Garnier wrinkle lift cream, and I cannot do with it. So I have already moisturized my face. Now I'm going it with the Fit Me foundation, which comes in this squeezy tube, which is just for 200 rupees. And I think people who have not used a foundation yet can give a try to this. It's exactly the same as the foundation which comes in the glass bottle, but this is more travel friendly. So yeah, I am in the shade 128. And I am using this buffer brush from Sell at Cost, which I bought recently. Now let's move on to the concealing part. I'm gonna use my favorite concealer, that's the Age Rewind by Maybelline, and I'm gonna conceal my under eyes and my mouth area a little heavily this time. I'm using this Nykaa concealer brush, and so far I'm happy with it. That's the Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline. Guys, this is the best setting powder I have ever used. It's so fine, doesn't look cakey at all. You have to try this powder. Going in with this 3D eyebrow pencil by Miniso. Then going in with my favorite Revolution palette. This is the Newtrals 2 palette. Taking this shade right here, and I'm putting it in my crease and smoking that out. And I'm taking a bigger fluffy brush this time, and I'm just gonna lightly shade my crease. Then going in with this vibrant corally pink shade, and I'm gonna pick it up on a smaller crease brush this time, and I'm gonna do pretty much the same thing but a little tightly. Then going in with this darker mauve shade, and I'm gonna define my crease even more. Once I'm happy with that, I'm gonna use the concealer again, and I'm not cutting my crease actually, but I'm just cleaning up that area so that we can put the shimmer shadow on it, and that will pop more using this pink champagne shade. And look at that pigment, guys. And I'm gonna just like put it all over where I've put concealer. Then using this darker maroon shimmery shade to kind of mesh the light shimmery shade with my crease. Let's finish up our face. I'm using the Sugar Bronzing contour powder, and then giving a fake smile and blushing my cheeks. I'm using the Sugar Blush. Using my favorite strobe and contour palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm gonna pick up that highlighting shade, and look at that highlight, guys. It makes my skin look so frosty and wet. I love this. Using the same highlighter in my inner corners. I love to make my inner corners pop and make it really sharp. Let's move on to eyeliner quickly. I'm gonna use the Stay Quirky pen, liquid pen eyeliner, and line my lash line. Then let's do the lower lash line work. I'm using all the pink shadows and smoking out my lower lash line. Let's do our mascara. I am using the Maybelline Falsies. I don't like this mascara much. I mean, it doesn't give any volume. Let's use my favorite nude lipstick. This is from Nykaa in the shade Madras Kapi. And yeah, we are done. I hope you liked this short and sweet tutorial.
Okay guys, I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment on what other videos you want me to do. And I shall see you very soon. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.